Hello peeps, welcome to my channel. This video will be a completely different video. It will be an entertaining video for you all guys. And in this video, what I am going to do is that I am going to show you all how to prepare onion juice. Yeah, you heard me right. We people have the habit of eating onions, but we don't have the habit of drinking onion juice. Yes, it will sound crazy to you all, but anyhow, please try to adjust. Please try to keep your mind calm and see this video. I'll be showing you how to prepare onion juice. Even I have the habit of eating onions regularly. But for the first time in my lifetime, I am going to prepare onion juice. And these are the onions. I am having 2 onions with me right now. And with the help of these 2 onions, I am going to slice these onions into tiny pieces. And I am going to smash these onions into pieces. And we will be preparing onion juice. Okay, without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. Come on, let's get started. So let me start preparing the onion juice. Here is the knife. First of all, I will cut the peels of the onion. So onion has various health benefits. It helps to reduce your cholesterol. It helps in the treatment of diabetes, and it improves your hair health because onion contains sulfur. So with the help of the sulfur, your hair health will definitely improve. Onion is used in the treatment of diabetes. It helps in reducing your wrinkles. It helps in reducing acne, etc. and so on. So here are the tiny pieces of onion. Now let me put these onions into the mixie. Within few minutes we will be preparing onion juice. Surely I am very excited to prepare the onion juice. 2 seconds, the solid form of onion will turn into liquid form of onion. Let me turn the switch on. Let it grind for some few seconds. So let me check whether the juice is prepared or not. Here we can see the juice is still not yet prepared. Now I am adding few milliliters of water. Let me grind it again. Now the juice is ready. After the filtering process, I am going to taste this onion juice. So let me filter the prepared onion juice. Where is the spoon? Where is the spoon? Come on, spoon. We can clearly see in the tumbler the solid form of onion has turned into liquid form of onion. So my dear friends, you can also prepare onion juice in your home, and you can also taste the onion juice. See this. This is the onion juice which I am going to taste right now. It has a pungent smell. Ah, it is somewhat bitter in taste. Do you want to taste this onion juice? Yeah, have it. Cheers. It is completely bitter in taste, and this is what I wanted to show you all in this video. So my dear lovable friends, thank you again for watching this video completely, and that is all from my side. You can share this video to your family, to your friends, to your relatives, and you can also suggest them to prepare onion juice, and you can also make them taste this onion juice. And I am concluding this video by sipping onion juice. Thank you. Bye. See you all. Love you. Cheers. Bye.